स्टडी IQ IAS, अब तैयारी हुई अफोर्डेबल।
Girisha, please take your seat. You are from Haryana, Karnal.
Yes, sir.
Lot of turbulence due to Kisan agitation.
Sir, yes, a little.
Are you satisfied with their demands?
Sir, I think although their intent is not bad, but I think the procedure that they are adopting, like MSP, legalizing MSP, basically what has happened is that our farmers have, the agriculture has not remained remunerative. We also had promised that we will double farmers' income. That has not happened. So, sir, that's why they are resorting to this, that MSP must be legalized. But I think there can be better ways of making agriculture remunerative. So, I think there is a need for more consultation and dialogue with farmers.
Consultation by the government.
Yes, sir.
Stakeholders should have been there.
Yes, sir. Yes.
They made a law and then withdrew it, repealed the laws.
Yes, sir. That was a drawback there. That consultation was not that to the extent that it should have been.
And there's a lot of dislocation also in public life. We are all getting disturbed.
Yes, sir.
Girisha, this is your sixth attempt
Yes, sir.
and the last, if I am not mistaken.
Yes, sir.
You are presently working as a Nayab Tehsildar.
Yes, sir.
What is the nature of job you are performing?
Sir, although I'm yet to join the job, the training has just begun. So, sir, basically, Nayab Tehsildars are the job is related to the land in the state, the registry of the land, and they also have some magisterial powers if there is some land dispute. So, everything that concerns with the land records, the land revenue, that is under the Tehsildar or Nayab Tehsildars.
So, have the land records been computerized?
Yes, sir. In Haryana was the first state that started with digitization through drones. So now we have digitized the land records in Haryana.
As Nayab Tehsildar, you will be getting a lot of pressure from the political quarters. How will you stand that pressure? How will you overcome?
Sir, in our training itself, there was a sir who retired as Nayab Tehsildar. So while he was explaining us the rules, so what I understood that, sir, rules are pretty much straightforward. So if we stick by the rules, I don't think there is anything that can misguide us from our path. So I feel that, sir, I would try to stick by the rules, and if there is some political pressure that asks me to do otherwise, I will, sir, try to politely refuse.
If you refuse to, obey their orders, then they will transfer you.
Sir, transfer, as they say, transfers are like seasons in the lives of civil servants.
Okay.
So,
Supposing your political master asks you to divert funds from one scheme to another scheme, which is not proper, which is not legally feasible,
yes, sir.
even financially it is not proper.
Yes, sir.
So how will you?
Sir, I think I will try to maybe find out some middle path if possible. For example, if I have some funds at my own discretion and seeing the demand, if the need is pressing, sir, maybe I will try to use my discretionary funds if they are available. So because I think there is always a middle path to some innovative way that things can be handled.
Okay, sociology is your optional paper.
Yes, sir.
What is your view on Uniform Civil Code?
Sir, Uniform Civil Code, I think the intent has been good. The directive principles also have said that there should be a Uniform Civil Code. So, sir, as long as we don't touch the culture, the rituals or customs aspect, I think if we just try to limit it to, say, marriage rights, say, for women or the weaker sections, if we are protecting their rights through means of Uniform Civil Code, I think it's a good step. But at the same time, we should not try to suppress.
We have lived without it for 70 years. Now, what is the hurry?
Sir, so once, basically I feel there are two benefits. Since we have different personal laws for different religions, so it is somewhat administrative hassle also. So that will also reduce to some extent. And sir, instead of reforming the personal laws one by one, I think a Uniform Civil Code.
Uttarakhand recently passed
Yes, sir.
a law, a bill. It has become a law, I think.
Yes,
has
sir.
it been signed by the...
Sir, I am not aware about.
Okay.
It has been signed.
It has been signed by
Okay.
the... So it is a law now.
Okay, sir.
So, what is uniform about Uniform Civil Code when the tribal society has been left out? HUF, Hindu Undivided Family, has been left out,
Yes, sir.
and the entire Northeast has been left out.
Yes,
When
sir.
you carry out, what will be uniform? Supposing the national parliament passes a law,
Yes, sir.
then
Sir,
what is uniform
that
about it?
so that has been a concern that tribals have been left out. So there are talks like the women in tribals, they also undergo certain patriarchal discrimination. So sir, I feel that slowly and steadily we should try to bring maybe tribals also in this fold, because right now they have different customs of marriage, say marriage by kidnapping or other aspects. So I think there also women do need some sort of protection.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Sir.
sir.
Girisha, you know what I am noting down?
Yes, sir.
I want to tell you that you are a very lively person
Thank you, sir.
and your sense of humor is very good.
Thank you, sir.
When you were answering on Naib Tahsildar, pressures of Naib Tahsildar,
Yes,
and
sir.
etc.
Yes, sir.
So keep that smile intact when you appear on the battleground.
Definitely, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
I have a little doubt. Naib Tahsildar, what is the female version of this designation?
Sir, I think it's a gender neutral term. When it came, then maybe it was the males that dominated the post, but maybe Tehsildarni or something.
Yeah, in Haryana they will call Tehsildarni.
Yes, sir.
But don't say that because the first answer is correct.
Yes, sir.
Gender neutral.
Yes, sir.
Singers, your hobby is what? Soulful singing.
Yes, sir.
You are a soulful person, of course.
Thank you, sir.
Singers from Haryana are making big in Bollywood and YouTube and big names,
Yes, sir.
which is pretty good
Yes,
because Haryana doesn't have much of film industry.
Yes, sir.
Can we hear 2 lines of soulful singing? Just 2 lines?
Sir, recently I sang a song. There's a song Ladki in this. This is actually a folk song where they're trying to stop, the father is trying to stop the daughter from Vidai. So it goes like, ओरी ओ चिरैया तू कल सुबह उड़ जाना रे, आज की रात रुक जाना मेरे पास. Shall I go on?
बहुत बढ़िया है. वो तो यूपीएससी वाले को जरूर बोलना. Shall I go on?
Yes, sir.
No, you will spend at least 5 minutes of more of your interview.
Yes, sir.
You're singing very well. Why you close eyes while you sing? This is the way of soulful singing?
Yes, sir. I just try to enjoy and immerse myself in that.
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
You told sir just now,
Yes, sir.
doubling of income has not happened.
Yes, sir.
And now that is a very categorical, firm statement. You say on what basis? Or as Naib Tahsildar you are making the statement?
No, sir. Not in that way. But, sir, actually, the target was itself shifted by the government because of the COVID happened. So, earlier it had to be doubled by 2022. But since COVID happened, so it was realized that it could not be possible.
I don't want to get into the details. It's a very tricky area.
Yes, sir.
It's not easy to measure.
Yes, sir.
And it will vary from state to state and from district to district.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, in certain cases, it might have gone beyond double.
Yes, sir.
So many times more.
Yes, sir.
Because of the improved technology in agriculture, pesticides,
Yes, sir.
healthier use, and massive awareness that is being given over the media,
Yes, sir.
radio, television, telephones.
Yes, sir.
Don't make that categorical kind of statement,
Okay, sir.
but also do look at this because this is a very likely question.
Yes, sir.
So do look at it and answer it in a very balanced way that yes, it has happened in certain cases,
Okay, sir.
but in so many places it has not happened, of course.
Yes, sir.
Then of course you say that doesn't entitle them to go for this serious march and protest.
Yes, sir.
Your optional subject brings me to a very interesting area. A senior journalist, a female journalist,
Yes, sir.
said the other day that she was pretty disturbed. She gets pretty disturbed when she drives in Delhi or any other major city, and that too on a very cold morning.
Yes,
And
sir.
a small girl, 12, 13-year-old, carrying a baby, maybe her brother or sister
Yes, sir.
in arms and begging.
Yes, sir.
So, small kids and transgenders begging on the roads
Yes, sir.
in most major cities has become so much spread thing,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? And both are very vulnerable sections.
Yes, sir.
Can you quickly suggest three, not one, two, three solutions to this?
Sir, one initiative that comes to my mind is Shiksha Nahi Bhiksha Nahi Shiksha. So that was started in Ahmedabad, and it is also being replicated in Delhi at some places. So they are the NGOs or the government. They are basically trying to impart some education.
Okay, second.
Trying to build some capacity. Say with children we can provide them with education, but some adults are there, for example ladies are begging, maybe we can provide them with some skills.
Next.
So third could be the awareness amongst people. So because supply side is also there along with demand, so trying to aware people to not give money, maybe people can give. So I applied with this with myself. I carry Parle-G biscuit, so instead of giving money I give that.
Dekho, you will be a civil servant. You are already a civil servant.
Yes, sir.
And this is a very core area, one of the core areas of your optional subject.
Yes, sir.
Now, from this subject, being a civil servant, being a budding higher civil servant,
Yes, sir.
you must think of very practical answers. None of these answers are, practical.
Yes, sir.
You think governments are not doing these? They are doing. But they are, instead of getting control, they are getting more and more into it. Think fresh.
Yes, sir.
Fresh answers होने चाहिए, innovative. नहीं, I'm just leaving you on this.
Okay.
Yeah, go back and think.
Sir, can we say like there is a nexus also, na? Police and beggars and mafia.
Say that. Okay. Contractors bring them into a lorry and drop them at a
Yes, sir.
certain point.
Yes, sir.
That is also, but then that is the negative side.
Yes.
We should focus on positive side.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'll just tell you what I thought of.
Yes, sir.
That these beggars, they don't belong to a certain place. Aaj yahan hai, kal wahan hai, ye. It's not easy to train them, capacity building, shiksha, bhiksha nahi.
Yes,
These are all catchy phrases.
Yes, sir.
What I thought of it, that probably I would do someday in life.
Yes, sir.
That deploy some vans
Yes, sir.
fitted with two kind of personnel, teaching staff,
Yes, sir.
including the computers, and a medical staff.
Yes, sir.
And they go to various sites. Let them beg and do whatever they are doing. For 2 hours, that van, put them in the van,
Yes, sir.
and kind of educate them, health checkup karo, computers bhi laga do gaadi mein,
Yes.
ye kar do. I mean, this is one thought.
Innovative.
Innovative. Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Girisha,
Yes, sir.
you are a Naib Tehsildar.
Yes, sir.
Above you there is a Tehsildar.
Yes, sir.
And above the Tehsildar, who is there?
Sir, SDM. Tehsildar reports to SDM.
No, ADM.
SDM.
Sir, in as per my knowledge, I think it's SDM. Maybe assistant collector also.
And when does he come to the level of the SDM?
I think in Haryana he is eligible after 3 to 4 years, but on ground maybe it takes some longer time.
Do you think Mahabharat is a myth or a reality?
Sir, I think it's a reality because sir, the towns that
Two good reasons.
sir, because the towns that have been mentioned, for example Hastinapur or Kurukshetra, we have those here, and also sir, scientists have started researching in Kurukshetra about those. They say that echoes or something frequencies, some sort of research is taking place.
So this is evidence-based history.
Yes, sir.
This is one.
Yes, sir.
Any other thing which comes to your mind?
Sir, if you could give some hints.
See, copper weapons,
Okay.
ताम्र बोलते हैं ना, copper.
Yes, sir.
They were recovered in 2018.
Yes, sir.
And for its analysis, it was sent to a foreign country where they have this,
Okay.
Sweden.
All right. So basically, for the
So
dating,
they
might...
now, few days back, its year, possible year,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
that is the dating
Yes, sir.
of this particular thing has happened.
Okay.
It coincides with the Mahabharata,
Okay.
and certain other things are also there. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for the info.
While doing a soulful singing,
Yes, sir.
what gives you a peace of mind?
Sir, I think the rhythm gives me that. Sometimes when I sing out of rhythm, some by mistake, so that is a little, that disturbs me a little. But when I sing in that rhythm, that just calms me down.
You are having sociology as one of your this thing, no?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between tribes in Deccan and
Yes.
tribes in Northeast? One or two major differences.
Sir, I think first is that the tribes in Deccan have to good extent merged with the mainstream, but northeastern tribes are still very much aloof from the mainstream. For example, sir, we have Sindhis, Gonds, Sindhi, no, I'm not able to, Gond tribe is there. So, sir, they have Meena tribe is there. So, they have to a large extent merged with the mainstream, but, sir, in northeast, it's very different. And sir, secondly, the source of economic activity, primary economic activity, there is still even hunting is done there, agriculture is there. So basically, it's primitive. Say shifting cultivation is still prevalent in northeast. So community ownership of land is there, but here. That has changed. For example, mechanization has taken place in agriculture. So hunting and gathering is not right now very much prevalent in the tribes in this Deccan region.
Read more into it.
Okay, sir.
What you are saying,
Yes, sir.
assimilation. Basically, you are saying assimilation
Yes, sir.
and type of.
Isolation.
So, yeah, assimilation is versus isolation.
Yes, sir.
You know, the northeastern tribals are the most, modern in their outlook.
Yes, sir.
You name of any fashion anywhere in the world, it will be there.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So what you are trying to say perhaps will contradict what you want to actually put across. So please, since you have a subject
Yes, sir.
like
Yes,
this,
sir.
please read it a little more.
Okay.
You will get the answers.
Okay, sir.
Who is the father of sociology, Indian?
Sir, it's G.S. Ghurye, Shri G.S. Ghurye.
So read that thing,
Yes, sir.
it will be there.
Okay, sir.
Since you are going to join the civil services,
Yes, sir.
what do you think? Is India moving towards a presidential form of government?
Presidential form of government, I don't think so.
Why?
Sir, because president in India has been nominal head, but prime minister is the real head. So it's the prime minister that is mainly responsible for the day-to-day functioning of the government. So, sir, and prime minister or the government is responsible to the legislature, that is the parliament. So, sir, I think parliamentary system is intact, sir.
Some people say that Mr. Modi has become too powerful, and the all decisions are based,
Sir,
and that is the one way of.
Sir, yes, sir. It is true that we have a very strong prime minister, but sir, that is balanced because he has the support of the parliament. The day parliament tries to withdraw the support, or that our prime minister will have to resign. So, sir, but that is not the case in the presidential system, that is USA maybe. So, sir, definitely.
One last question.
Yes, sir.
The constitution
Yes, sir.
is based on Government of India Act 1935.
Yes, sir.
Primarily, it is based on that.
Yes, sir.
Then how it is an Indian constitution? It was during the British time that the Britishers made those acts, etc., etc. All it is an Indian constitution.
Sir, basically, our constitution is developed with integration of multiple constitutions. We have a lot of provisions that have been borrowed, but sir, we have an own Indian character in our own constitution because it has been developed after rightful and due deliberation amongst the Constituent Assembly. So, sir, although there have been parts that have been derived, but there is an Indian character to it.
I will leave you with one small thing.
Yes, sir.
Look there, Mr. Ambedkar is there.
Yes, sir.
He was asked, what is Indian about this Indian constitution you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Read his reply.
Okay, sir.
His reply is something like this.
Yes, sir.
So many constitutions have already been written.
Yes.
Nothing has been left for us to do something. But even then, it is an Indian. Read it. It is an interesting this thing.
All right.
All
Sir.
the best.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, Girisha.
Hello, ma'am.
Girisha, foreign policy is in the union list or in the state list.
Ma'am, foreign policy union list.
So, can states then participate in foreign policy?
I don't think there's any restriction for the states to participate. Like, basically, it's the domain of union. So I think states do not take that much interest in foreign policy.
But West Bengal had played a major role in not allowing the Teesta River Water Agreement.
Yes, we can say that domestic politics definitely has an influence
State,
on.
I'm talking about.
Okay.
The role of the state in foreign policy.
Yes, it can.
Coming to Haryana, do you think Haryana has any tie-up with any other country per se?
In terms of foreign policy,
In terms of industry, setting up centers of excellence?
Haryana and Punjab are linked with Canada.
Recently, the Russian president
Yes, ma'am.
gave an interview. Are you aware of that interview?
No, ma'am.
Okay. In that interview, he said that it is NATO to be blamed for the war. Do you agree with it?
Russia has been giving that reason that since Ukraine wants to join NATO, and that is to some extent US trying to come into the backyard of Russia. That is the reason why Russia had attacked Ukraine. So, but I don't think that immediate cause we can say that NATO is the cause of the war. I think it's the Russia that initially.
So, Girisha, then if presence of NATO in Russia's backyard
Yes,
has
ma'am.
been the issue,
Yes.
then Russia should have had an issue with Finland going with NATO, should have had an issue with Turkey, which is a member of the NATO, but it did not have. Only Ukraine. Why?
So, ma'am, I think Ukraine has been a protectorate of Russia when they gave their nuclear sovereignty. So, Russia had promised protection to Ukraine. So, now maybe Russia is not able to see Ukraine.
We'll come to another question.
Yes, ma'am.
Recently, our Navy veterans returned from Qatar.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is Qatar so important for us?
Ma'am, the gas dealings are being done. We recently also signed a multi-billion-dollar deal, gas deal. LNG is imported into India from Qatar. And in general, Qatar is important for us for in the Middle East. It's an important player. So
How
our
is it an
relation.
important player?
Ma'am, so basically because of the gas, it is one of the largest gas producers, and in Middle East, since they have a strategic location, so I think they are an
You
important.
keep using the word Middle East. Does the government of India use the word Middle East?
Ma'am, I'm not sure.
There's
Maybe
a term
West
called
Asia.
West Asia.
West Asia.
Moving on, do you know what's happening in the South China Sea?
In general, like recently, I'm not sure if any development has taken place, but yes, the tussle is ongoing in
Between?
South China Sea. Ma'am, multiple countries, China, Taiwan, Philippines, Vietnam.
What is Taiwan doing in South China Sea?
Sorry, ma'am, Taiwan must be in East China Sea. The southern countries,
Like,
ma'am, Philippines, Vietnam, China, and one more country was there.
is USA involved?
It was like the incidents keep taking place where USA take their battleship or navy ship in there.
So, Girisha, last question. Why is USA present in those waters? What does USA have to gain from it?
Ma'am, so like USA projects itself as the leader of the world, so they have this maybe responsibility or tendency to have a role in different areas of the world, and primarily South China Sea is rich in resources, and
Like what resources?
ma'am, minerals, and yes,
Okay, thank you, Girisha.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Girisha. Your mock interview is over.
Thank you,
I
sir.
would request you to kindly wait outside for
Thank
a few
you, sir.
minutes. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Girisha, you are going for the interview for the first time
Sir, second time.
in the UPSC.
Yes, sir.
When was the earlier occasion?
Sir, last year.
How much did you score?
Sir, 154.
154.
Yes, sir.
What went wrong?
Sir, I think the interview went pretty much well. I think on one question, maybe when they asked me like, Haryana is a very corrupt state, so what can be done? So
Which
sir,
board was it?
sir, Satyavati ma'am. So maybe there I had acknowledged that yes, it is. Maybe I shouldn't have acknowledged.
Okay. A few points I would. You entered as Tehsildar, Naib Tehsildar through Haryana Civil Service.
Yes, sir.
So you are already a civil servant.
Yes.
So one thing you must know that UPSC board
Yes, sir.
will have higher expectations from you
Yes, sir.
than a normal candidate
Yes, sir.
who is not in service. So that you must keep in mind.
Yes, sir.
And many questions will revolve around your present job.
Yes,
और
sir.
job profile, whatever we have asked you, brush up कर लीजिए उसको ज़रा.
Yes, sir.
और एक आपका pause दीजिए whenever some the board asks you questions.
Yes, sir.
Give a pause of 3-4 seconds. Think about the question. That is a major flaw we saw today in your personality,
Okay.
in your communication.
Yes.
Give a pause of 3-4 seconds. सोचिए, think about the questions, and then frame the answers mentally, and then give the answers. And give a very convincing, focused, crisp answers. Not long answers. Your answers were quite okay.
Yes.
Make it more crisp.
Okay, sir.
And you were very much ready to sing. That was a very good thing. You know, did they ask you to sing last year?
Sir, last year I didn't write it as hobby. I wrote different hobby.
Okay, because they might ask you to sing, so you should have no problems in that.
Yes, sir.
Even now your hand clasping is bad, you know, hand holding. You should put your hands here on
Like
the thighs.
this. Okay, sir.
Always. Don't do this. This is a sign of nervousness.
Okay, sir.
Which you are not nervous, but why should you, under force of habit, people always, we also do it like this.
Yes.
But in a UPSC interview, we should take it seriously.
Okay.
This is the right posture.
Yes, sir.
और उसको ऐड करिए. And you have a habit of speaking with hands. Your hands movement is quite excessive at times. उसको avoid करिए. When you keep your hands like this,
Yes.
if you do it like this, then you will start speaking with your hands.
Yes.
Movement will be excessive.
Yes,
इसको आप यहाँ रखिए इसको.
Yes, sir.
Then you will be quite better. You will feel better also. You will feel more confident also.
Yes, sir.
और eye contact भी आप सबको देखिए. When you are answering a question to a particular member or chairperson,
Yes.
look at others also once in a while. बहुत अच्छे है. उससे लगेगा आपका confidence level पता लगता है.
Yes, sir.
You are not getting nervous.
Yes, sir.
Current affairs you must be sharp.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Both national level, district level,
Mm-hmm.
आपकी state level, national, international पे थोड़ा brush up कर लीजिए.
Yes, sir.
अभी टाइम है तो read the newspapers aloud.
Yes.
अपने डेफ की एनालिसिस कर लीजिए ज़रूर आप.
Yes, sir.
करा आपने?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, वो आप उसके बेसिस पे जनरेट योर ओन क्वेश्चंस,
Yes, sir.
राइट डाउन आंसर्स,
Hmm.
प्रैक्टिस दोज आंसर्स बिफोर द मिरर और इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स, योर पीयर ग्रुप्स.
Okay.
उनको कहिए वो आपका मॉक इंटरव्यूज लेंगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है.
Yes, sir.
बट मैनी क्वेश्चंस विल बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम योर ओन present post.
Yes, sir.
What is the nature of job? How will you tackle different situations, sexual harassment at workplaces?
Yes, sir. Sir, in that question, what should be the answer? Like, if political pressure we have for a transfer.
You will stand, you will say, sir, I will go by the rule.
Yes, sir.
I will go by the rule.
So, sir, that incorrect when I said that if I have some discretion and the need is pressing to transfer the money?
No, ट्रांसफ़र के बारे में तो आपको वो बोलेंगे, दे माइट ट्रांसफ़र यू, तो आप कहिए दैट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ.
Yes, sir.
Civil services have got its own
Yes, sir.
hazards and so that's a part of life. उस पर डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप कह दीजिए yes, but rule cannot be broken because you are the permanent civil servants. You are
Yes.
the permanent executive. Politicians will come and go. They are temporary executive.
Yes.
So tomorrow you will have to face the music. There is a CBI inquiry.
Mm-hmm.
So if the minister or an MLA or MP, somebody will ask you, take your senior into confidence. Please say that, I will take my senior into confidence that this is not possible. And don't say to your political ministers, they will be bothering you. That
Yes, sir.
do this job, give this job to this man, give this tender to this who is not the lowest. तो आपको कह दीजिए possible नहीं है. It will send a very wrong message to the public, and media will is also very vigilant. ऐसा करके बताइए. And even if the minister keeps on hammering you do this job, so reduce everything to writing. Take your bosses into confidence कि सर ऐसा ऐसा है, and put everything in writing that your minister called you and I have explained like this.
Yes, sir.
You yourself put it. If he doesn't give you in writing, you yourself put it in writing.
Yes.
Put it up to your immediate boss, your SDO or SDM or whatever.
Yes, sir.
उसको आप rating में लाइए. Then it is their headache. आपको घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. And minister will keep quiet after that. I
Yes,
can
sir.
tell you. They're very. They don't know anything about. So they will themselves withdraw.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा एक आप थोड़ा सोशियो इकोनॉमिक पैरामीटर्स जो है हरियाणा के है ना
Yes, sir.
वो ज़रा थोड़ा सा ब्रशअप कर लीजिए आप.
Yes, sir.
सेक्स रेशियो क्या है, लिटरेसी रेट क्या है, एंड ऑल्सो कैरी आउट ए कंपैरेटिव एनालिसिस बिटवीन हरियाणा एंड पंजाब.
Yes, sir.
रीड अबाउट दैट कैनाल डिस्प्यूट ऑफ
Satluj Yamuna.
वाटर,
Yes, sir.
यमुना सतलुज कैनाल, उसके बारे में ज़रूर पढ़ लीजिए. क्या व्हाट इज़ द लेटेस्ट स्टेटस, व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग नाउ.
Yes, sir.
वो पढ़ लीजिए. सोशियो इकोनॉमिक एनालिसिस का कंपैरिजन विद हरियाणा है ना. एंड अबाउट फार्मर्स एजुटेशन,
Yes, sir.
let us hope it dies down soon, but it may continue. उसके बारे में भी आपको पता होना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
So don't criticize the government, don't criticize the Haryana government,
Yes, sir.
even if you wish to, but don't criticize them.
Yes, sir.
Then you, as you rightly said, then stakeholders consultation would be very essential, and negotiations are going on. So let us hope things
Yes,
go through. Or some evil practices in Haryana, like female feticide is very common, dowry is very common.
Yes, sir.
और हाँ ये है ना मैरिजेस, चाइल्ड मैरिजेस वगैरह हैं, ये सब चीज़ें, उसके बारे में भी आप थोड़ा सा तैयार रहिए. एंड यू विल डू वेरी वेल. वी सी ए फ्यूचर सिविल सर्वेंट
Thank you, sir.
इन यू. यू विल डू वेरी वेल.
Thank you, sir.
आप बताइए कोई क्वेश्चंस आंसर कोई.
सर एक तो सर मेरा वो जो ट्राइब वाला था सर, उसमें एक्चुअली सर मेरा एक बैच में पोस्टेड है, मेरा ACIO में सिलेक्शन हुआ था. तो सर उनसे ही मेरे को ऐसा पता चला कि मतलब वहाँ पर जेन्युइनली अभी है मतलब ये. तो सर क्या बोल सकते हैं मतलब अगर ट्राइब्स का डिफरेंस पूछ.
You made a mention of Jhum cultivation.
यस सर.
You know, Jhum cultivation is one of the best forms of cultivation.
यस सर.
It does not destroy the land.
यस सर.
हरियाणा पंजाब में क्या हो रहा है,
वाटर गजलिंग क्रॉप सर.
लैंड खत्म हो गई.
बिल्कुल सर.
इट इज ऑल जहर है बिल्कुल.
यस सर. यस सर.
जो आप खाते हैं वो जहर है वो.
जी सर.
ठीक है ना. इसीलिए तो इनका अभी कनाडा वगैरह खरीदने के लिए तैयार नहीं है.
यस सर.
तो what you should know is that
Yes, sir.
the land cultivation, that is a form of cultivation, because they leave it fallow and it happens.
Yes.
As regards, you know, assimilation is concerned,
Yes, sir.
their cultural things are different. The tribals here, there, it is different. But what is common is that they are rooted to the soil there.
Yes, sir.
That is one. आप उसको देख लीजिए.
Religious practices जैसे.
What are the differences?
Okay, sir.
If you want to make a fashion statement, nothing to beat it.
Yes, sir.
Any fashion which is there, it comes there first.
Yes, sir.
Religious differences can be there, but there are certain differences which actually says what is a tribe.
Okay.
Look from that angle, the differences in the tribe there and the tribe here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you will get it.
Yes, sir.
It's a passing reference, it is there.
Yes, sir.
But it
Yes.
is, since it is there, it is there.
Yes, sir.
One thing I want to tell you, you be your normal self.
Yes, sir.
So long as you are normal self, you are in.
Yes, sir.
Never lose that confidence in yourself
Yes, sir.
that yes, you will be there.
Yes.
You know, you have to be stubborn about your goal.
Yes, sir.
You must make a race to win. Okay.
A word about your dress. Will you wear sari?
Yes, sir. Different sari.
Different sari. It should be plain sari,
Yes, sir. It's plain.
off white or
Yeah, it's cream color.
cream color, है ना? With a small 1-inch border and all
Yes.
that. That will be.
Yes.
And matching blouse, everything should be there.
Yes, sir.
And you will certainly do very well.
Thank
and
you,
this,
sir.
you must not miss this chance.
Yes, sir.
I want to see your name in the merit order list.
Yes.
Top 100 you must.
Sir, can I ask 2 more questions? Sir, in another mock, I was asked that what is in next 10 years, is there likelihood of India being in the part of UN Security Council permanent member? Sir, although we know that practically it's not possible because China wouldn't agree to that, but sir, shouldn't we be a little optimistic that yes, we are pushing for it and it can be a possibility rather than saying
No,
that?
but you see, we have been pushing it for many decades, you know.
Yes, sir.
And we missed one chance, and now we are. Madam, you will be in a better position.
Yes,
to
ma'am,
answer.
please.
No, so, Didi, it's being optimistic and pessimistic is not the case out here. It's being realistic out here.
Yes, ma'am.
And despite we are asking for it, it's for something else actually.
Yes.
It's not just about being part of the UNSC. The veto has to be
Yes, ma'am.
challenged. Yes, ma'am. And that requires an amendment of the UN Charter, which requires a majority of the countries.
Yes, ma'am.
So there are, a lot of technicalities before we can think about joining the UNSC. It is just not China only.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So just that it is of course India wants to be part of the multipolar world order. That's it.
So we are basically trying to build a narrative that.
Yes, exactly.
And ma'am, sir, one more question that I was asked was that, sir, it was basically related to Mahabharata, that our history. So what our kings had done was we were always sticking to our principles. So but because of our principles we have lost a lot of battles, because we have always been ethical when even in the war. So sir, what answer can we give to that?
आपका ही domain है
Who
ये.
told you that our kings and princes were ethical?
No, ma'am.
We had rules like Arthashastra. Chinese has Sun Tzu's Art of War.
Yes, ma'am.
So what exactly?
Ma'am, although they did not give any example, but I think like this example of Prithviraj Chauhan or these Rajput kings came into my mind. I had seen that Padmavat also. So in that movie also, like we have always they were shooting onto our temples. Basically they had erected temples beside the tank so that we do not shoot them. So because of our principles we worship the temples. So
Values,
that way,
not principles.
See,
values, ma'am.
history, what exactly the history says is not correct.
Yes, sir.
You have to be critical about it.
Yes, sir.
I asked you a question regarding Mahabharata.
Yes, sir.
There is a mention that somebody gives a shrap and other things, and that the whole city sinks. That was the seat of power of Lord Krishna, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
History was always saying that nothing exists, nothing happens. When it was recovered, they said this is not that place, it will be something else. What is the basic fact? The basic fact is an entire city goes into the water. It is available. So that's why I use the word evidence-based history.
Yes, sir.
Now, regarding the wars, etc., being fought, there are several wars
Yes, sir.
which were fought with the people who came from outside. Most of the wars they lost.
Yes.
Few decisive wars they won.
Yes, sir.
So, you can frame your answer like Prithviraj you were mentioning,
Yes,
this
sir.
was mentioning, etc. On this, there is a small write-up by ICHR, Indian Council of Historical Research,
Yes, sir.
which has given, list of all these things, the narratives which were made, isn't it? I'll give you another example about Ram Temple.
Yes, sir.
Allahabad High Court asked Professor Irfan Habib and Romila Thapar, two celebrated names,
Yes, sir.
to come to the court. They want to hear you in person.
Yes, sir.
And the question was, Mrs. Thapar, have you read the script which is there and you have formed a basis?
Yes, sir.
Who is your guru? And she gave an unconditional apology on affidavit
Yes, sir.
that she does not know anything about it.
Hmm.
So what was the narrative being given? That it was something different. But the inscriptions, they have not read. It was okayed, and therefore things changed thereafter.
Yes, sir.
So it is not so simple as it
Yes, sir.
looks like it.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Sir. Yes.
All the best.
Thank you,
All
sir.
the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best.
स्टडी IQ IAS अब तैयारी हुई अफोर्डेबल।